Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to speak to you about fragrance. We have EDP or Eau de Parfum, EDT or Eau de Toilette, EDC or Eau de Cologne, and body spray. The distinction is simply the amount of concentration of oils in each fragrance. EDP or Eau de Parfum has a higher concentration than EDT or Eau de Toilette, making it a stronger fragrance, while cologne has the lowest concentration of oils. There are two different types of perfume. It's perfume and Eau de Parfum. Perfumes have the highest fragrance concentration that would last the longest among all other types. It usually takes up to 6 hours. Although perfume has the highest price, while the next highest scent concentration would be EDP with oil concentration between 15 to 20%. This has lesser price as compared to perfume. EDT or Eau de Toilette has a fragrance concentration of between 5% to 15%. Normally lasts after 3 hours, but it is cheaper than EDP. Cologne has a much lower fragrance concentration, about 2% to 4% than the EDT, with a high alcohol content, and is therefore cheaper than those. It generally lasts for 1 to 2 hours. Body mist, on the other hand, is a light, stimulating, and fresh fragrance perfect for layering with other products, while it has 3 to 5% fragrance concentration in alcohol. It is most likely similar to cologne. Cologne and body mist, therefore, does not last long, so I recommend to use them during summertime and can be reapplied without overpowering smell. Men in general love the scent of vanilla as they find it attractive because of its natural aphrodisiac effect. Its sweet scent, creamy, mouth-watering aroma can pull their attention, making it a seductive and is a turn-on scent. Similarly to women, they find it attractive for men to wear vanilla scent with a mix of leather and musk. The masculine smells of leather and musk turns women on peppermint and lavender. Now, perfume can last longer on your skin depending on ways how you apply and your choice of scent depending on your body type. Remember that too much fragrance not only is a turn off, it can give people around you headache and allergy. Although the problem is that some people don't have a very good sense of smell, or they have become numbed to the fragrance they wear every day. Now here are my tips and hacks. When shopping for perfume, do a bit of research. Avoid blind buying, especially if it is expensive. Remember, not because it comes from a famous brand and costs a lot of money doesn't mean it is good for your natural scent. Of course, it depends on the pH level of your skin. Perfumes are going to smell differently on each one of us because the body chemistry affects the way perfume smells. Test the perfume for 2 hours in your skin. Check the scent later on. If it suits your natural scent, then you can decide if you still want to buy it. Next tip: to apply perfume, you need to start by taking a shower or bath and then apply moisturizer, oil, lotion, or Vaseline, which will support the perfume scent to lock in your skin for an even more powerful scent-to-skin linkage. Fragrance binds to the oils of your skin, so applying it after your body lotion or oil creates a better surface for the scent fragrance to bind to. Now, for those who apply perfume into their hair, please do not apply it directly into your hair. It will dry and damage it. You may spray perfume onto your brush before running it through your hair. This will put light scent while helping prevent damage from alcohol if sprayed directly to your hair. This is applicable for those who have longer hairs, so when you flick your hair, there is a lovely scent releasing from your hair around you, making you more attractive. Hold the perfume inches away from your skin and then quickly spray the area. Walk into a spray cloud before it gets into your clothes. This allows oneself to feel immersed in the fragrance. Now, if this sounds like you, just be conscious of the clothing's composition when you apply on the top of your clothing. Avoid materials like silk that can be easily stained by perfume oils. Also note that you might not experience the full deal of the perfume if you spray on your clothing. Depending on the nature of the fabric, it only catches some parts of the perfume, which is why fragrance can smell more powdery on clothes. Spray inches away from your collar. If you do, not far, not too close. Don't rub perfume into your skin. Fragrance application is tricky with your natural oils. When wrists rub together, top notes will fade and evaporate. That will dry out the scent. Instead, dab on the pulse points. Your body heat will then activate it throughout the day and will emit the desired scent. Fragrance reacts to heat, and applying to your pulse points can help release scent throughout the day. So when you spray, you'll want to focus it on heated areas of your body, including your wrists, shoulders, chest, behind earlobes, nape of your neck, thigh, inner elbows, behind knees. And one more thing, layer your scents. Avoid layering a big fragrance with another big fragrance. Otherwise, it is too much and overpowering. You can start with single notes, then layer it with woody and musky undertones. Your skin natural scent is your perfect canvas for your favorite scent. You need to find your signature scent that will complement your own style. It can either make or break your personality. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below, like and subscribe. See you guys again next time. Bye!